Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software updated feature video. In today's video, we have added the ability to see the history or changes over time for the extended business section and added an additional info box. Let's take a look. From inside my Jenesis software, I will select a client, clicking on Billy Bob. And once inside Billy Bob, you will notice on the business section over to the right, the extended business info. If I click there, you will now notice that on the left-hand side at the bottom corner, there are arrows. The arrow here will show you the previous extended business info. So if you click going back, it will show you the previous version with the time and date and the previous information that was entered. If you click back again, it will show you another previous version, time and date, and info entered. If you would like to go forward or to the current version, you click the arrow going forward. There's also the additional information box if you wanted to add additional information here, or should I make any changes? Let's see if I put 9 and click save. Now, when I go into my View Extended Business Info, clicking on the arrows going back, you'll notice that it shows my previous 6 that I just made that change to. Going to my current, it shows my saved 9. And also, don't forget about the additional information box at the bottom right. I hope you found this update helpful. However, should you have any questions or need any help, always remember at the bottom right corner, there's the helpful chat support icon, or all the way to the left, the bottom of your toolbar, the resource options that will bring you to our helpful tutorial videos. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.